Good morning, this is Pew Kitchen, Patrick. This morning we're making breakfast and we call this breakfast made simple. We're doing this cinnamon roll. As see, you got it here. And we're doing some biscuits. You guys know the biscuits come in the same thing like this here, but it's different. And then we're gonna do sausage. I'm gonna make puff eggs and fried plantain. That's for this morning breakfast. Again, breakfast made simple. And as usual, my coffee. The guys then they have chocolate and the onion tea, or she may use, who knows, her cappuccino tea. So guys, let me start breakfast and you guys gonna follow me, okay? Alright, now I have the oven preheated at 350 for the biscuit and the cinnamon roll. I'm going to take 15 minutes. Alright? Stay tuned for the rest. Okay guys, I'm taking out the biscuit and the roll now. That's what it look like. Which in the pack is gonna walk you through everything. The timings and everything. There's my biscuit. So now I'm going to put the frosting over the coil on it. It's easy, as you guys could see. You know, you buy it and it just tell you what to do. Follow the instructions in the label. Okay guys, here we go. That's it right there. That's it right there. And it's very delicious. Very, very delicious. So now I'm going to make my sausages and eggs. So you guys stay tuned, and my coffee and hot chocolate and etc, 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 etc. Okay guys. Alright, good. Okay. biscuit done. Guys, we gotta change the plans. Remember, I showed you guys some boys that we're going to make. We're going to make this one here. And some of the boys doesn't want this. They're asking for the long one that I did last week. This one here. So we're gonna do it. This one here. You know what I mean? So the oil is extra hot. Let it cool down. So the fry there, give it a few minutes and then it's good to go. I'm gonna mix my eggs and oh no, I'll do the plantain first, then the eggs last. Oh, and as one of my viewers said to me, why don't you make the coffee so you can be sipping coffee while you're cooking? And that was an awesome idea. I think I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna make my coffee so I can be sipping on coffee while I'm cooking. You see, I'm a good listener. So I'll make my coffee now. Okay guys, I'm gonna take up that sausage now. I would like to put the napkin below so you could absorb the oil. As you guys see, I do the plantain. I'm just going to do full plantain. I'm not going to do a whole lot of that.